First up, we've got Lisa's delicious green melon sunrise. Absolutely delicious. Consists of cucumbers, canary melon, ginger root, peppermint leaves, and a dash of ground nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and water to blend. Absolutely delicious. So delicious and very refreshing. Absolutely yummy. Cheers. Next up, we have Kathy making her delicious blend consisting of ginger root, banana, blueberries, and spinach. A handful of spinach with some added spices, ground nutmeg, and some coconut water to blend along with a little bit of pomegranate and water. Absolutely delicious. Oh yes, and she did add a piece of avocado just for a smoother consistency. Absolutely delicious because you don't even taste the avocado in it, and you can't even tell that there's spinach in it. Look how good this looks. Looks like a regular fruit smoothie. So good. Cheers. On point. Spinach smoothie with cucumber, ginger root, and banana added. I completely forgot the canary melon in this one. Next time. So good and so good for you.